Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like for you to subscribe if you're new. If you're returning, welcome back. Now let's get started. Oh, what a treat I have for you today, guys. I have the SplitR. It's a 1965 Mustang built by the Ringbrothers out of Spring Green, Wisconsin. Yes, this vehicle is built in 2015 and it has a 7-liter Ford crate engine which produces over 500 horsepower. Yes, that's right, over 500 horsepower. I'd like to thank the owner of this special vehicle for allowing me to film it for this video. Dreamhead would like to know, do you like the exterior color and the interior color to this vehicle? If so, leave me a comment below. Here's that 7-liter Ford racing crate engine which produces the 500 horsepower. And did I mention that this is a one-off vehicle, which means it's a one of one. And as always, treat the person as you want to be treated and be kind to one another. And we will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos and keep pushing forward.